ladies and gents, I'm so gassed up right now, yeah. I'm in the Supra, I'm going to pick up my new car. Do you know what? I'm gonna say this is one of the cheapest Supras in the goddamn world. Cheers! Yo, stay tuned, you gotta see this Supra. Here she is, ladies and gents. My Toyota Supra. Hey, careful. Just crank it.
Have you got your jump leads? Alright, just stay away. Crank it.
Here she is, ladies and gents. My new Toyota Supra 3-litre 7MGE, non-turbo. It's all good. There's the turbo, and here's the non-turbo. Jeez!
The batteries then.
So, it's got the cloth interior in el fantastico condition. 133 on the clock. Bit of paint there. All good. Bit of rust there, as you can see. The magic stick. I'll get it.
Careful. Oh yeah, it's a light inside.
I'm grateful that my older brother didn't listen to me about not bringing tools, because yeah, we definitely need tools. Try and get her fired up.
Right. So what does that do?
This here basically just stabilizes the camera.
Okay.
Makes it a lot better recording.
Okay.
Right, so yeah, this is what we found, hence the reason why it's not starting at the moment. This is an engine out jobby, I'd say, but yeah, not a problem, hopefully. Big brother says, ah, look, it's the main man who sorted out the D terms again. Another one. So,
Grab your pliers.
currently, as you can see, it's splurged everywhere. That's the word, splurged. Big up the older brothers. Yes, we have the 7M GTE turbo. Keep tuned for this one, ladies and gents. Bodywork's not too bad, looks pretty straight, thankfully. But yes, she needs that TLC, man. Got a dent there. You see that lip? That one, yeah? That one. It's going on that one. Jeez! Thanks, new Supra, for my new bit.
Yeah, and obviously the exhaust I thought was a bit noisy, but apart from that, and then a couple of miles I charge it up, so I would go a bit.
Thank you, ladies and gents, for watching this video of mine and this cheap Supra find. As you can see, the bodywork's looking a state, so please do hit that subscribe button to support my channel. It'll be much appreciated, and more videos to come of it. And just watch the transformation, what I do of it. Also, I'm going to try to get it started. I'm attempting, so please keep an eye. Hit that subscribe button, ladies and gents, and like, share, comment. I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Keep blessed. Love.